Hi, this is Avalon from Crafts Direct, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can make your own personalized baseball home decor sign. Let's get started. The first thing you are going to do is grab your chipboard letters and grab the letters that you need to spell out the name that you want on your sign. Then you will grab some navy paint and you will start to paint the chipboard letters. Once you finish painting the chipboard letters, you will then set them aside to dry. Grab your sign and baseball template that you have already printed out. Grab your scissors and cut out both of the baseball stitches. Lay your tracing paper down on the sign. You're going to want the shiny side facing down, and then you are going to lay down the baseball stitches where you want them to be. I don't have each end of the stitch perfectly lined up. I kind of like them at a little bit of an angle. Once they're set up how you want, you will then begin to trace your stitches. So you will grab a pencil and start tracing over the printout. Once you finish tracing, you can remove the template and the tracing paper, and now you can see the lines that you made. And then you are going to grab your red paint and start painting over the baseball stitches. You will start with one layer of paint. Make sure that you are staying within the lines that you've traced. Let the paint dry and then go back and do a second coat of paint just so that the color is bold and to make sure that it is covering all of those tracing lines that we put on there beforehand. Next, you will grab the 3D foam squares and the letters that you painted earlier. Now you will add the 3D foam square to the back of the letters and then adhere the letters to the middle of the board. There may be some sections of the letters that are too small for the 3D foam square, so you may need to cut some of them as well. Once all of your letters are adhered to the middle of the board, your sign is now ready to be hung up and displayed. Thank you so much for watching this video. You can shop all the products needed to make this sign at craftsdirect.com/projects.